Good morning. Today we're going to hope to get a shower cracked. So I've got the panel to go on there. Let's stick another panel up there. Once I've done that, I'm going to put the shower back down onto its in the final position, measure out where the base plate should be, build a partition wall, which is going to obviously make the shower cubicle. May take some of these towels up down here, which are in the way, and see how far I can get. So let's crack on. So this section, the panel's done. I've squirted a bit of cream into the big gaps. What I'll do, I'll smooth it off, and then I'll make that good with proper builders, chalk, whatever. Well, I think they just obviously seal the edges anyway. So yeah. Let that set a bit, and now start on this section. Quite happy I've got a nice very smooth edge here. Seems to be quite good. It's quite satisfying. So I just cut my base plate, and I did assume that this piece of wood here was exactly the same size, but unfortunately it's not. It's actually, this one here is 8 sorry about that. Measure again. Yeah, something like 800 wide. Well, no, 80 centimeters, 8 centimeters wide, and this one here is actually 84 centimeters, 85 centimeters. So yeah, I don't always assume they're the same size. So I've just done a final fit of this drain pipe. Luckily it just fits over the top of this base plate here, so it's going to go for that gap there. I'm going to have to make 2 holes either side of the in the plaster there, so I can obviously run that pipe through. Done another test. I'll put the water through it, and it seems to flow through, and it's not leaking. That part there was of slight concern. I've also put my put a fitting in there for a future sink, which will be there soon. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. It's going to fit. It fits really well. The level's right, and I had to do a bit of munging, whatever, I don't know, with that connection there. I had a 90 degrees connection on it, but I wanted to go something like down there and down there, but 90 was too tight, so I've done the 45. Well, it looks fine. So yeah, I got the partition up. The light is actually going to go flush with the roof there, and that bit where he's cutting off there actually, but it's just a little bit too high. I'm going to stick a strut in now to just support this horizontally, just while I cut that off up there, and also while before I stick the shower door in, which will be a while yet. So there we go, first day, well today, this is what the extent I'm going to do today. Cut that off flush there. Hopefully with me showering the hot air is going to come out and we're going to suck it out there. That's the theory anyway. But anyway, some challenges tomorrow. This is slightly more out beyond the edge. What I'm thinking I'll just be very careful with the boards. I will perhaps go as far as there, but only tack there and tack there, and that will leave this bit floating a little bit, and we won't have any bits which are coming out. Yeah, same to here. I'll just tack it here and tack it there, but don't tack it around there. Let's let it float over the top. But yeah, I'm quite happy. It's quite a solid structure. It's obviously could be more or less a structural wall, I suppose, if you wanted it to be. And yeah, as when I've I've got this sorted, I'm going to put a shower door into that. But what we're going to do on here, we're going to have another layer of plaster on the top here, the waterproof stuff. We're going to stick that on the outside here. So yeah, that'll be a bit tricky to cut, but I've got a bit lots of spare of it, so just cut a few sheets of it, bang it on the end there, and that'll protect that wood. And I don't know whether I'll paint it or yeah, I don't know whether I'll paint it or tile over it, but that's another day. Good progress there, I think. Shower's looking mega huge now. I was trying to, it's quite a big scale. I think I was slightly hesitant because I actually did downsize it from 1 meter down to this side here, but no, it's definitely big. Right, see you, bye.